The Pfaff Ambition 1.0 sewing machine has 29 needle positions. Now, if that seems like a lot, it's really not, because by the time I've moved my needle all the different ways out to maybe getting nice close to the edge top stitching, on some fabrics I might need to be a little closer, and some fabrics I might need to be a little bit further away, depending on my thickness of fabric, my thickness of thread. Truly, I do appreciate having all 29 needle positions. So when you're on a straight stitch, your stitch width is actually what changes your needle position. So if I touch the plus button, you notice this line is moving towards the top of my screen, and the needle is moving to the right. Now, when I get all the way over there, you're going to notice the setting is 3.5. So from 0 to 3.5, there was 14 different changes. When it's at 0 in the middle, and that number is no longer highlighted, I could also go the other direction, and it will say a minus number. You can change this even while you're sewing. So if I need to find the exact location of my needle, I can push this button and watch my needle travel to the left or travel to the right. Now, if you do this while you're sewing, you really just get a nice crooked stitch. But it does give you the opportunity to truly dial in the exact stitch based on what you're trying to follow. And the easiest way to return back to a center needle position, just touch stitch number 1 and it will clear any settings that you've changed to that stitch.